But maybe not, because maybe you'd be stressing about how you wanted it to relax you so much that it ended up not being relaxing. No, you know how the wanting is. I want it, I want it, I want it. It's flowstipation at its best. That wanting, that craving. I desire it, I need it, I want to get this move. I want to feel good. Calming that inner voice is such a thing. Yeah, it's so easy to say. It's so easy to say. All you do is just let it go. Just let it go. Right. Yeah, it's like telling your body to stop contracting its muscles. Learning how to actually have the facility to release the tension and to let go of the contraction is actually very difficult in my experience, but it does take training, and it can be done with enough focus and training and consistent practice. But it still takes effort to stop efforting, which is ironic when you think about it. It is well, much of life is a paradox, right? Like, the path is really simple. All you do is just relax, have fun, be in the moment, be present. All you do is. And yet, walking that path is just so not as easy as those words. Well, you know, it's my whole thing about poi. Simple and not easy. It's very simple. All you do is spin circles. Is it easy? No. Yeah. That distinction I think is so great. Simple and not easy. But it like, this is the paradox of living, of being alive.